OnePlus V Fold renders show off sleek design and has a black camera bump. This could be one of the best foldable phone releases. The foldable phone wars will finally be heating up this summer in the United States, with the Google Pixel Fold set to arrive this month and Samsung teasing its next foldables for July. We also know that OnePlus will be releasing a new foldable as well, the OnePlus V Fold, which will be released sometime in Q3. Before its official release, it looks like we're getting our first look through leaked renders, and judging by its look, this one could become one of the best foldables of 2023. The renders are created using a prototype model, which should be pretty close to what the retail unit will look like. That's not to say that things can't change, but this should be pretty close to what is announced. With that said, one of the first things to notice is the rear camera, which is quite prominent and features a circular design, which has become quite popular over the past year. The circular camera module apparently houses 3 cameras, with one being a periscope zoom lens. It also looks like the company will be once again working with Hasselblad, and the phone will also have the signature OnePlus alert slider many have come to love. The handset will also have biometric security through a fingerprint sensor embedded in the power button. Of course, the most important part of the phone will be the large foldable inner display. But as of now, there doesn't seem to be any specifications on this or the outer screen. Another thing to note is that the model shown features a leather-like texture on the rear, and the website states that there could be other finishes as well. There aren't many rumors about the phone's specifications, but there are expectations that the handset will feature premium internals to compete with other foldables out on the market. The OnePlus Fold V looks like quite a winner, but what will really differentiate it from the pack is its price. As of now, foldable smartphones are quite expensive, costing quite a bit more than a typical flagship smartphone. It will be interesting to see how OnePlus positions this phone when it comes to price, as the company's been known in the past to offer great pricing on its devices and excellent promotions during the launch period as well. As stated before, this summer could be quite interesting for foldable phones. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the eSIM Studios YouTube channel for all the latest and greatest technology news and reviews. Oh, and by the way, this is not really Flossy. This is clone Flossy Carter. To all the fellas, to all the ladies, we out.